How to fix Facebook Meta Forum app not showing on your App Store. Hello everyone, I am Bishaka and welcome to our channel. Now let's get right into the tutorial. Firstly, go ahead and open App Store on your device and now tap on the search bar and search for Meta Forum. Here, as you can see, I do not have the Meta Forum application anywhere on my iPhone. So now in order to fix that, simply go back to App Store home screen and tap on your profile icon on the top right of your screen. Further, tap on your name you see there and you will then see the option for country and region. So go ahead and tap on the country and region option you see there and then scroll down and set it to United States or any other country of your choice. You will then be required to tap on the continue button you see there at the bottom and then agree to the terms and services of Apple Media. Once accepted, you will be required to enter your billing address. So go ahead and enter your billing address. Now, once you have entered your billing address, simply tap on the done option on the top right of your screen and wait for the process to be completed. Now, once your country and region has been changed successfully, go back to App Store home screen and then go ahead and search for Meta Forum app again. And now, as you can see, the Meta Forum app appears. So you can then go ahead and tap on the get option you see there and enter your Apple ID password or your Face ID. And once you have entered the biometric for your Apple ID, the Meta Forum application on your device will be successfully downloaded. So simply wait for the download to complete, and once completed, Meta Forum app will be successfully downloaded on your device. So this was about how you can fix Meta Forum app not showing on your App Store. If you find this tutorial helpful, please like the video and do comment if you have any queries. Also, do subscribe to our channel for more helpful tutorials like this. See you on the next one.